Since ancient times, cultures across the globe have believed in the power of herbs and spices for protection against negative energies, evil spirits, and demonic influences. These natural elements were often seen as gifts from the earth, imbued with mystical properties that could shield and heal. Among these, cinnamon stands out not just for its culinary uses, but for its profound spiritual significance. Cinnamon, with its warm aroma and rich history, has long been recognized for its protective qualities. This spice, derived from the inner bark of trees from the genus Cinnamomum, has been a staple in various cultural rituals and practices. Its sweet yet spicy scent is believed to create a barrier against negative forces, making it a favored choice in many protective rituals. Its use in spiritual and magical practices dates back centuries, and it continues to be a popular choice for those seeking to safeguard themselves and their homes from harm. Whether sprinkled around the home, burned as incense, or used in sachets, cinnamon's protective energy is harnessed in numerous ways. It is often combined with other herbs and spices to amplify its effects. Cinnamon's significance in warding off evil can be traced back to its association with fire and the sun. The fiery nature of cinnamon is symbolic of the sun's life-giving and purifying energy. This connection to fire, a universal symbol of transformation and protection, enhances its reputation as a powerful tool against malevolent forces. In many traditions, fire is seen as a purifying and protective force, capable of driving away darkness and negativity. The act of burning cinnamon, whether in a ritual or as incense, is thought to release its protective energies into the environment, creating a shield of warmth and safety. Cinnamon, with its fiery nature, is believed to embody these same qualities, acting as a potent repellent against malevolent entities. Its use in rituals not only purifies the space, but also invites positive energies, making it a cherished element in spiritual practices around the world. Cinnamon is believed to possess a strong spiritual vibration that disrupts negative energies. This ancient spice has been used for centuries in various cultures for its mystical properties. It is said to create a protective barrier that shields individuals from harm. Many people use cinnamon in rituals to ward off evil spirits and negative influences. The distinct aroma of cinnamon is thought to be particularly offensive to malevolent spirits, causing them to flee and preventing them from manifesting. This is why cinnamon is often burned as incense in spiritual practices. Its association with fire and the sun further amplifies its protective qualities. The warmth and light of the sun are believed to enhance cinnamon's ability to purify spaces. Fire is often seen as a symbol of purification and strength, capable of burning away negativity. When combined with cinnamon, this element becomes even more powerful in spiritual practices. Cinnamon, with its warm and fiery nature, is thought to harness this power, creating a shield of protection against evil influences. Many believe that sprinkling cinnamon powder around their homes can create a safe and sacred space. One of the simplest ways to use cinnamon for protection is to sprinkle it around your home, particularly in doorways and windows. This creates a barrier that prevents negative energies from entering. You can also carry cinnamon sticks with you for personal protection. Placing a cinnamon stick in your purse, wallet, or car can help to ward off negativity and attract positive energies. Section 4. Rituals and Practices. In this section, we delve into the fascinating world of rituals and practices that have been passed down through generations. In addition to these basic methods, there are also more elaborate rituals and practices that incorporate cinnamon for protection. Cinnamon has been revered for its protective properties and is often used in various spiritual practices. One such ritual involves burning cinnamon incense. This practice is not only aromatic but also deeply symbolic. The smoke from the burning incense is believed to cleanse the space and drive away any lingering negative energies. It creates a sacred atmosphere, making the environment more conducive to positive energy. Another practice involves creating a cinnamon bath. This ritual is both soothing and spiritually uplifting. Adding cinnamon sticks or essential oil to your bathwater can help to purify your aura and remove any negativity that you may have picked up throughout the day. This practice not only cleanses the body but also rejuvenates the spirit, leaving you feeling refreshed and protected. Section 5. Additional tips and precautions. When using cinnamon for protection, it is important to choose high-quality cinnamon, preferably organic and ethically sourced. Fresh cinnamon sticks tend to be more potent than ground cinnamon. Store your cinnamon in an airtight container in a cool, dark place to preserve its aroma and potency. If you experience any irritation or allergic reactions to cinnamon, discontinue use and consult a healthcare professional. Section 6, Conclusion. Embracing cinnamon's protection. Cinnamon, with its rich history and potent properties, offers a natural and accessible way to enhance protection and ward off negativity. Whether you choose to sprinkle it around your home, carry it with you, or incorporate it into rituals, cinnamon can be a powerful ally in your spiritual journey. Remember to approach these practices with respect and intention, and always trust your intuition when it comes to protecting yourself and your loved ones.